Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo, and in this video we're going to show you 10 passive income apps that will give you free PayPal money. Be sure to stick around until number 10 because I think this app is very cool. And also be sure to like and subscribe and click on the bell icon notification for more videos like this. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's no such thing as free lunch. But trust me, these apps are legitimate and do actually pay out. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Number 1, become an affiliate for Rakuten. Rakuten offers a great way to generate passive income. By signing up for their affiliate program, you can earn commission on every purchase made through your unique link. Additionally, you'll earn some cash back on many items purchased through Rakuten's site. And if you refer new members to Rakuten, you'll earn even more money. Rakuten is a great way to passively earn some extra money each month with very little effort. Plus, it's a great way to get discounts on items you were going to purchase anyway. The rebate is typically deposited into the user's PayPal account or mailed as a check. Rakuten also has a referral program that gives users a percentage of their friends' qualifying purchases. In addition, Rakuten also offers discounts and coupons on certain products and services. By taking advantage of these programs, users can generate passive income with little effort. What's not to love? Sign up today and start earning. Number 2, selling your photos on Foap. Foap is a smartphone app that allows users to sell their photos. It's a great way to make some extra money, and it's also a great way to earn passive income. With Foap, you can set up a PayPal account and link it to your Foap account. Then, whenever someone buys one of your photos, you'll receive a commission. There's no need to worry about shipping or printing costs. Foap takes care of all of that for you. And because Foap is an international marketplace, you can reach buyers from all over the world. You can make money from your photos and videos without having to actively sell them. And best of all, you can do it entirely on your own time. The more photos you sell, the more passive income you earn. And best of all, you can do it all from your smartphone. And the best part is, you don't even need to be a professional photographer. As long as you have a PayPal account and camera, you can start earning money with Foap today. So if you're looking for a way to generate some extra income, Foap is a great option. Sign up today and start earning. Number 3, earning cash back on Ibotta. For many people, the appeal of passive income is undeniable. After all, who wouldn't want to earn money without having to work for it? Ibotta is one app that promises to provide users with passive income, and it's certainly gotten a lot of attention in recent years. But does it really live up to the hype? Ibotta is a great way to generate passive income. You simply link your PayPal account and start earning cash back on your everyday purchases. The best part is that you don't have to do anything differently. Just shop like you normally would and then get money deposited into your PayPal account. Ibotta is totally free to use, so you have nothing to lose by signing up. Plus, they often have special offers and bonuses that can boost your earnings even more. All you have to do is download the app and start scanning your grocery receipts. Whenever you buy an eligible item, you'll get cash back in your PayPal account, which can't get any easier. The best part is that you can withdraw your earnings at any time. So it's really easy to generate passive income with Ibotta. So why not give it a try? You could be earning passive income without even knowing it. Number 4, earn money on Tada. If you're looking for a way to generate passive income, Tada is a great option. With Tada, you can start earning money without having to invest any money up front. All you would need is a PayPal account and a few minutes of your time. Once you sign up for Tada, you'll be able to choose from a variety of options to start earning money. You can take surveys, participate in focus groups, or even watch videos. And best of all, you can do this from the comfort of your own home. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn some extra cash, Tada is definitely worth checking out. Number 5, Doge. Doge is a cashback app that allows users to generate passive income. When you sign up for Doge, you link your PayPal account and credit cards. Then, whenever you make a purchase at one of your supported merchants, you'll automatically earn cash back. The cashback is transferred to your PayPal account, making it easy to earn passive income with very little effort. In addition, Doge occasionally offers bonuses such as $5 for signing up for a trial subscription. These bonuses can also help to boost your passive income earnings. By simply linking your credit or debit card to the app, you can earn cash back on your everyday purchases. and there is no need to worry about minimums or points. With Dash, you'll earn cash back automatically and it will be deposited into your account each month. Overall, Dash is a great way to earn passive income with little effort. PayPal makes it easy to receive your earnings, and the bonuses add an extra boost. So if you're looking for a way to make passive income with very little effort, Dash is a great start. Number 6, HoneyGain. HoneyGain is an app that allows you to make money by sharing your internet connection. When you sign up for HoneyGain, you can choose how much your bandwidth you want to share. The more you share, the more you earn. HoneyGain pays out through PayPal, so you can easily withdraw your earnings. And because it's a passive income stream, you can make money even while you're sleeping. The earnings are sent directly to the user's PayPal account, making it easy to cash out and start earning passive income with very little effort. In addition, the HoneyGain app does not consume much data or battery life, so users can continue to earn money even while they are using their devices for other tasks. HoneyGain assures that only trusted partners have access to your internet traffic, and the software never requests or obtains access to your device's storage. If you're looking for a simple way to generate some extra cash, HoneyGain is definitely worth checking out. Number 7, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular website that allows users to earn rewards by completing tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. While the rewards can be redeemed for gift cards or cash through PayPal, many users choose to reinvest their earnings in Swagbucks, SB currency. SB can be used to enter sweepstakes, bid on auction items, or purchase items from the swag store. With Swagbucks, you can earn passive income by doing things that you already do online, like shopping or taking surveys. By reinvesting their earnings, users can create a passive income stream that can provide them with SB over time. In addition, by referrals, Swagbucks also allow users to earn a percentage of their SB that their referrals earn. As a result, Swagbucks provides users with multiple ways to generate passive income. Since Swagbucks is free to join, there is no risk involved in giving it a try. So why not sign up today and start earning some extra cash? Number 8, earn cash back on MyPoints. MyPoints is a great way to generate passive income. I tried this one before. You can do this by simply signing up for PayPal and linking your bank account. PayPal would then automatically transfer the money into your account each time you make a purchase. MyPoints also offers a referral program, which allows you to earn points for every person you refer to the site. You can then redeem these points for gift cards or cash. Finally, MyPoints has a daily points booster which allows you to earn double points on all of your purchases for a limited time. With MyPoints, you can earn points by shopping online, taking surveys, and more. You can then redeem these points for gift cards or cash. And the best part is that you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. By taking advantage of all of these opportunities, you can easily build up a passive income stream with MyPoints. Number 9, Coinbase. Coinbase is a digital currency wallet and platform where merchants and consumers can transact with their new digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. PayPal is one of the most popular payment processors in the world, and Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. So, it should come as no surprise that the two companies have partnered up to allow PayPal users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. But what you might not know is that the partnership also allowed Coinbase to generate a passive income from PayPal users. Here's how it works. When a PayPal user buys or sells a cryptocurrency on Coinbase, PayPal takes a small cut of the transaction. This may not seem like much, but it can add up to a significant amount of money over time. And since PayPal has millions of users, Coinbase is able to generate a very nice passive income from this partnership. Number 10, working out with Sweatcoin. If you're looking for a way to get paid for your physical activities, you may want to check out Sweatcoin. This app rewards you with cryptocurrency for walking, running, and other forms of exercise. You can make passive income on Sweatcoin by converting your Sweatcoins to PayPal Cash. There are a few ways to do this, but the most popular method is to sign up for an account with Sweatcoin. Once you have an account, you can link your PayPal account and start converting your Sweatcoins to cash. The conversion rate is usually around $1 PayPal dollar for every 10,000 Sweatcoins. But it can vary depending on the day. You can also convert your sweat coins to other cryptocurrencies, but PayPal is the most popular payout option. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money without having to put a lot of effort, converting your sweat coins to PayPal Cash is a great option. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.